let's have a look at ratio. Liam, Joan, and Martha split a bill in the following ratio. Liam 4, Joan 3, Martha 5. What does that mean? Well, basically that means that when we are talking about ratio, that everything is divided into a number of equal parts. How do I know how many parts? 4 plus 3 plus 5. That will tell me that if I add all of them together, I have 12 equal parts. So everything in this case, bill, is divided into 12 equal parts. Now, I didn't count, that's probably not 12, but that's not the point. So always when you are looking at ratio, that's what you have to understand. So that means we divided everything in 12 equal parts. Liam got 4 of those equal parts. Joan got 3 and Martha got 5. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. Liam and Joan paid 154 euros. So those two paid 154 euro in total between them. Martha paid the rest of the bill. So now we have to do what? Work out how much Martha paid. And yes, I know it is ratio, but again, we can use conversion to do that. Because what are we saying? What information are given to us? That 154 euro was how many equal parts? 4 and 3 together, 7 equal parts. So therefore, what we don't know is how much, so how many euro does Martha pay? How many parts did she have? 5 equal parts. And again, how do we solve conversion? We multiply across, or cross multiply, and it doesn't matter, honestly, which part you're going to start. So we can go 154 multiplied by 5, and that equal x multiplied by 7. And again, I want to have value of x, not x multiplied by 7. In order to get rid of that multiplication, what do? We divide, and if I divide one side of the equation, I have to divide the other side of the equation. And why do we divide? Because 7 divided by 7 is 1, 1 multiplied by x is x. And when we put all of that in the calculator, we get 110, that's the value of x. So that means what? Martha paid 110 euro. That was her part, her part of the bill. Now, how often is ratio in your exam? Ratio itself is not that often. However, it does show up. But what is there every year? And more than once, more than it will be one part of your question will be some form of conversion that will be applicable. That's why that conversion is really, really handy to know how to work it.